Hazrat Miqdad bin Aswad radiyallahu anhu states that he submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell me while combating a non-Muslim, if he severs my hand and then when he comes within the range of my assault, taking shelter of a tree, he says, I have become a Muslim for Allah's sake. Can I finish him after his pronouncing the article of faith? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you cannot kill him. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he recited the article of faith after cutting my hand. So can't I kill him even now? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you cannot kill him. If you kill him, he will be in the state wherein you were before killing him, and you will be in the state wherein he was before reciting the article of faith. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 270.